guys, Ralph here. Mail time. Right, a few bags through this week. Start off with this one. Oh, lovely day today. Lovely warm outside, and I'm stuck in. Right, I came this morning. It's a 3-way phono adapter. Hooray! And this is going to be used because I have a 3 cable coming through here, and I want to be able to do that and attach the Atari to it, but also be able to not move the TV forward, to faff that way with it. So that'll be less faffing, shall we say. Just to make the cables I have run into this TV a lot more user friendly. So, second, loads of, I actually got loads of mail today. Really happy. Next mail. Now these are the bad boys for the Xbox, which I'm going to do a video for in a minute. So, it's 10 in here. I need 5 for the Xbox. They're 6.3 volts, 3300 microfarads. Get that thing running. Hopefully I can get that fixed, but not need to use a new power supply on the Xbox and get that to work. Third mail. There we go. Today we're sponsored by Felix, as good as it looks. Now, PS2 game. Now, you'll see a trend in a second. I don't think that's anything. PS1 Tonka Touring Car, PS1 Formula 1. Next mail. I have already opened some of these, so PlayStation 2, Gran Turismo 3. It's already been opened. Ooh, big things. Big package. And one Xbox game. I think I'm one missing. Oh. No. Yeah, that's it. Now, I'm using that one because I've never actually had Halo for an Xbox before. Never had a Halo. Never played it. Which is pathetic for having an Xbox. That was my first game I ever had for the PS1. Quite like Tonka Touring Cars. Gran Turismo 3 needs something to test with the PS2 anyway. So let's get that. I mean, we've already got a game for the PS2. Let's have a look. I've got a CD wallet. I actually asked a question on Discord, I think it was last week. Is it worth buying PlayStation games? For, I think that was £1, less than £1, 120 or something. Tomb Raider for not... Most I think I paid out £1.40 for a game. I mean, whether or not they work or not is a different... I know, not too bad. I look through it, I can see there's a PlayStation logo there. There. I don't know if you can get on camera. Oh, that's a flickering. But, yeah. If they work, they work. But I'm going to put them in with all the games I've got in here. So I'm not bothered. I mean, the original question was, is it worth buying games, discs, when all the games are lately are the DLCs? And it was, no, don't. Because your PlayStations are all, there's an app coming out. There's an add-on. The original PlayStation, you can play everything through an SD card. So no was the answer, but it's I think it's 200 Australian dollars for the PSIO, I think it is. Looks worth it, but we'll see what happens. But I thought we'll just need some of these, just test them out anyway. 2 PlayStation 1s, 2 PlayStation 2s, an Xbox. And we'll see what we can do with them. But this is my main one I need to get started with. with the capacitors for my Xbox. I'll see what I can do with them. Because remember from the Xbox video, these were domed. These are nice new ones, Panasonic ones, according to the eBay listing. You can't even see that, can you? There you go. Yep, there you go. Sorry about the crap on my hand. I've been decorating this morning. No nails. Yeah. So that's this week's mailbag. I was hoping, because I'm looking for my PlayStation 2's power supply, the 8.5 volt power supply from China. It's been dispatched. I've contacted the sellers. Oh, we've got the got the tracking data for you, and it's showing it's been dispatched, and that's it. It's not showing it's received in the UK. It's not say it's going to be out for delivery. It's nothing. So I'm guessing with the length of time it took for them to actually get to this stage, and there's still no tracking data different from 2 weeks ago, that's probably lost in the post, or he sent it by a boat and marked on the tracking, please send by plane. But no. So at the minute I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. I think I'll keep them. Might be some use for something. Alright, so yeah, I've got one Xbox game, so yeah, I'll keep them secure in there. So less scratches on them than what there already is, but they are obviously second hand anyway. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's this week's mailbag. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.